Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your date and time in Windows 11, and this is very easy. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So all you have to do is just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. From the left hand side, you will see time and language. Click on that. And here you will see date and time at the top there. So click on that. Now, if you look down, you will see a bunch of different options here related to time, time zone, and date. And as you can see here, I have my time zone set to Prague. I also have my time, but it is set to automatic. So in order to manually change this or to manually change your date and time, just simply turn this off and you will have the option to manually change your time now. So if it's on automatic, you won't be able to change it because it will be done automatic. But once you disable this, just simply click the change. And from here, you have the option to change the date and time. So let's jump into the future. Let's say I want to move to 2027. Boom, I change it right there. And I can also change the time as well. Let's put it to a different time. And then just go ahead and click on change. And as you can see, I am now in 2027, right? And right now, if I want to change this back to the original date, which is the current date, all I have to do is just go ahead and turn on set automatically, and this will automatically detect the current date and time, as you can see here, and I'm now back in 2024. Right, here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.